What's up everyone, I'm Anthony and welcome to this video on debate. This video is the first of many on your road to becoming a rockstar debater. You can sign up for free at nextgendebate.org. Now, you might be wondering what a debate looks like, or how it might be different than ones you've seen in the past. If you've never even heard of a debate before, we should start by defining it as a formal discussion on a particular topic. It's easy to get confused with an argument like one in this scene. Sometimes we think of debate when we think of lawyers in the court of law. Debate is similar to a trial in that you have one side arguing for something and another side arguing against it. In legal terms, we call them the prosecution and defense, but in debate terms, we call them proposition and opposition. You may have also seen a debate between two candidates running for public office. Debate isn't just used to run for office, but it is also a powerful tool used by our world leaders every day to make life-changing decisions for millions of people. But in reality, you won't be debating on a stage with lights, cameras, and a large audience, but rather a classroom setting that looks similar to this. In this debate, we have 3 students on each team. Proposition is on the left, opposition is on the right. Each side takes turns explaining why their side should win the debate. However, proposition gets to speak first and last. Watch closely as these debaters will demonstrate the correct order in which they speak. After the second opposition speaker goes, the third opposition speaker will speak next. Finally, the third speaker proposition will speak and end the debate. During the debate, the judge sits in front of the speaker and will give them hand signals displaying how many minutes they have left throughout their speech. Once the debate is complete, the judge may provide some verbal feedback, but don't worry, they will also leave notes for you and your coach to pick up later. The judge is there to determine who wins and help answer any questions before and after the debate. Although the literal debate topics are announced in advance, debaters do not know which topics they will be debating each round, nor do they know which side they will be debating on. Therefore, topics are announced for a second time exactly 20 minutes before the round starts, and debaters will discover whether they are arguing for proposition or opposition. This 20-minute time period is called preparation time and should be used to gather your notes before the debate starts. Only new material that's handwritten during preparation time can be used during the actual debate. That means you can't bring in notes from home or anywhere else. To ensure everyone follows this rule, randomly chosen and uniquely colored paper will be handed out to debaters to write and transfer their prepared notes to during preparation time. Only this colored paper will be allowed in the debate chamber once the actual debate begins. 2 last, very important rules are that debaters are responsible for arriving to their debate chamber before the 20-minute preparation time is complete. You can also never enter a room without a judge, so most debaters use their preparation time just outside the chamber. I hope this video helped you learn something new about debate. Show some support by subscribing to our channel. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy debating!